In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this animation in 7 minutes. I'll select the meshes and type M to put them into a new collection. Let's create a cylinder. R, X, and 90 to rotate the mesh 90 degrees on the X axis. In edit mode, press Shift, Z to wireframe. Type 3 to face select. We need to select the faces in the middle. Let's check or deselect. I'll apply an emission material. Ctrl-I to invert the selection. Let's apply a new material. If we don't press the Assign button while working with selections, the second material will be ignored. I'll correct the second material issue shortly. Let's select the end face and type S to scale it down. I'll remove the front face. We can tell whether the material was applied or not by using the Select button like this. Do you remember how we added the first material to the faces that were not deselected? For some reason, that data was lost. We must assign the materials properly like this. Press Ctrl-I to invert the selection. Let's create a star mesh. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. I have mistakenly added the star while I was in edit mode for the cylinder. I'll add it while I'm in object mode instead. R, X, and 90 to rotate the mesh 90 degrees on the X axis. Looks like the yellow material was meant for the star mesh. I'll switch this one to blue. Let's create an illusion of a traveling star mesh. We're not physically moving the star backward. We're only scaling, but the background is creating an illusion. I'll create keyframes in frame 1 and 250, then I'll scale the star to add a new keyframe on frame 125 like this. Here is the result. Let's rotate the cylinder in the Y-axis to give an illusion of spinning background. I'll set a keyframe on frame 1, go to frame 250, rotate the mesh 179 degrees on the Y-axis, and set a new keyframe on 250. Did you notice how the animation is slowing down near the end? Let's fix that. In Animation tab, go to Channel, Extrapolation Mode, and select Linear Extrapolation Mode. Time to add a text object. I'll extrude it, bevel it, rotate it, and move it to the center of the screen like this. Please use any fonts. I'll add a random material to the text. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.